So we do a series of premium classes here, which means they have a price tag attached to them. Now, I give it to the people. We teach plenty of free things that are with the Small Business Center, but our AI for Business class is a premium class. We have an online version, and we'll also be doing another in-person version coming up soon. But when people say, you know, I want to save money and I want to save time, you're going to have to spend some money in order to save time. And that's why you need to go ahead and invest in this course. And this is the thing. There's plenty of free courses out there that you can take, but they don't personalize it for you. There are plenty of free courses that you could take, but are they in your community? There are plenty of free courses that you can take, and they're trying to upsell you on something. Guess what I'm trying to sell you on? The thing that you actually bought, which is why I'm going to give you all the information in the session that you need, and you don't have to do an upgrade in order to get that information. Go on ahead and get your ticket right now. Go to giveittothepeople.com. Giveittothepeople.com, because you know what I'm going to do? Give it to the people.